Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to our new video. This time we came with 1635 square feet low budget house. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. First we look into the plan. Sit out is 440 into 260 centimeter. Living is 590 into 330 centimeter. Common toilet is 280 into 150 centimeter. Dining is 340 into 300 centimeter. Kitchen 300 into 300 centimeter. Work area is 210 into 300 centimeter. Bedroom number 1 330 into 300 centimeter. Bedroom toilet 190 into 140 centimeter. Bedroom number 2 330 into 330 centimeter. First floor living is 480 into 330 centimeter. First floor common toilet 190 into 140 centimeter. Bedroom number 3 is 340 into 300 centimeter. Bedroom number 4 330 into 300 centimeter. If you want to see more 3D visual of this design, please check on description. We add the link over there. Total floor area is 1635 square feet. Approximately budget is 20 lakhs without interior. If you like this video, please like, also subscribe our channel. See you on next video. Till then, bye bye.